day, learners. Today we will be learning about the adaptation of xerophytes and how xerophytes survive in dry areas or succulents. Succulents are types of xerophytes. I will be presenting this lesson. The objectives of the lesson. By the end of the lesson, you as learners will be able to define what xerophytes are, identify key structural adaptations, explain how these adaptations help survival in dry places. The objectives of the lesson. Now let's get on with it. The question is, what are xerophytes? Xerophytes are plants that are adapted to survive in areas with little water, such as deserts. For an example, the Northern Cape. Most of the Northern Cape is a desert. It's a semi-arid place or it's a semi-desert. Now we have examples of xerophytes that includes the aloe, the zebra cactus or any other cactus, and the euphoria and others. As we can see on the pictures, there are examples of xerophytes. Now on structural adaptations, we have the thick cuticle, the fleshy stem or leaves, reduced or absent leaves. The cuticle is thick to reduce the loss of water. The fleshy stem or the leaves store water. It helps to store water. By doing this, why is it fleshy? It reflects the sun rays. The reduced leaves or absence of leaves, they lessen the surface area for evaporation. On other structural adaptations, we have the sunken stomata, the hairy or waxy surface, the shallow but widespread roots. Let's hop into the sunken stomata. The sunken stomata traps moist air and thus reducing transpiration. The stomata, as we all know, is the site for gaseous exchange and transpiration, which is a very important part of the plant that regulates the loss of water. The hairy or waxy surface reflects sunlight and keeps the plant cool. Shallow but widespread roots is for absorption of moisture quickly so that the plant can be able to absorb water and store it. Each of the structural features mentioned above, they help the plant to save water and survive in areas of heat or in dry areas such as the Northern Cape, in areas that receive less rain on average. Now the question is, which of these adaptations do you think is most important for the survival of xerophytes? Now for your activity. In pairs, I would like you to observe these pictures of these succulents that are provided. Identify 3 adaptations visible in each plant. Explain how each feature helps it to survive in dry areas. Look closely at the leaves, stems, and the surface of the leaves. What do you notice? Once you are done with your activity, please complete the self-assessment checklist provided.